Adding an organisation profile card in Trello. So if you search Altiorem and the organisation isn't there, and you've searched Trello and there's not a card there either, then you're going to need to complete an organisation profile. The first thing you do is add a card in Trello. So go to the list New Content for Review, and right down the bottom is Add Another Card. Click on that, and the title for this card will be the name of the organisation. So for instance, we could do the UN Global Compact. Hit Add Card, click on the card and it will open up. You don't need to add a more detailed description, so just close that. Go to Members and add yourself on the card. The next thing you do is select priority, and for all organisations, we make them top priority. In content type, you select organisation profile, and for topic covered, you select an organisation. Once that's all complete, close the card down and then move it over to In Progress. Automatically, a due date of 2 weeks will appear. If you create this card perhaps not in New Content for Review, you create it perhaps in Progress, this date won't automatically appear. So you can add it yourself just by going to Due Date, putting in the date here, setting a time, and you can even set a reminder for a day before or 5 minutes before, 2 days before, up to you. Hit Save and it will save for you.